This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Brenna 2. Welcome to a spacious and airy 5 bedrooms, 3 baths home in Copper Oaks in Estero. This 2-story residence offers nearly 3,000 square feet of living space, featuring an open concept floor plan with soaring ceilings, elegant travertine tile flooring, and abundant natural light. The first floor includes a guest bedroom and full bath, perfect for visitors or a home office, while the upper level showcases a large master suite with an expansive walk-in closet and 3 additional bedrooms. Enjoy serene long lake views from the screened lanai, ideal for relaxing or entertaining. Copper Oaks is ideally situated close to shopping, dining, top-rated schools, and Southwest Florida's beautiful beaches. For more information, review the details.